This is Tier 2 Lesson 4 on exponential decay. Remember, the general form of an exponential function is the same, a times b to the x, where x is your independent variable and f of x is your dependent variable. A is your initial value, or I'm going to call it your starting value. And b is your growth factor, or in this case, it's going to be our decay factor. So if you think back to exponential growth, where it was 1 plus your rate, exponential decay is going to be 1 minus our rate of decay. So here we go. You buy a car for $28,000 and it depreciates, aka gets smaller, goes down at a rate of 15% annually. Okay, we're still working annually. Remember the different things that could happen. What is the decay rate? Well, it would be 1 minus, and remember 15% equals 0.15. So 1 minus 0.15, which is 0.85. So if you think about it, if I were to multiply my 28,000 times 0.085, that would actually make it smaller. That's why it's depreciating, as opposed to the last one where it gained money. So let's write a function. So we have our value of the car equals 28,000 times 0.85 to the x, where x is years, right, for each year. And then we'll fill in the table again. So this 0 is that 28,000, 0.85 to the 0. Well, 0.85 to the 0 is 1. It's 28,000 times 1, which is 28,000, which makes sense. At year 0, when I bought the car, that was the value. Now we do 1. 28,000 times 0.85 to the first. You see that the value went down by a lot. 15% of that value went away. Okay, and we could do that real quick. We could do 15% of 28,000 just to see what that was. It lost $4,200. After 12 years, that car is now only worth almost $4,000. So it lost a lot of value as it goes through the years. It goes pretty quickly.